So, 30 seconds.
Follow me on YouTube, Coach Ralph Lee number 11.
So guys, may nagtanong, sabi niya, Coach, paano po ba yung gagawin ko? Gusto ko po kasi na mag-improve yung dribbling. Ito, gawin mo tong mga dribbling drills na to para mag-improve yung dribbling mo. So yung first na gagawin natin, kailangan mong malaman, idol, lahat ng drill na to, gagawin mo ng 3 sets for 30 seconds, no? So ang first natin na gagawin is a crossover with footwork, no? So pa side to side tayo, idol, no? So yung footwork natin, right foot papunta sa harap na pa side, hindi pa lunge or hindi pa straight, no? Pa-side siya. So, yung footwork natin, pag ganyan, idol, no? Left, right, no? So, sasamahan natin ng bola. So, 30 seconds to, So, 30 seconds. And then, after mo mga 30 seconds, ang gagawin na naman natin is a dribble between the leg split, no? So, between the leg split, dribble between the leg split. 30 seconds. After mo mga 30 seconds dyan, idol, we now do ay behind the back dribble lang, no? So, behind the back lang, constant lang. Okay, 30 seconds, hindi gumagala yung paa. We go naman sa next drill natin, which is the cross between, behind. Now, may footwork to. So, cross between, behind. Cross between, behind. Cross between, behind. Cross between, behind. After nun, sa kabila rin, cross. Yung next drill natin, in and out, then figure of B, 30 seconds pa rin. In and out, figure of B. In and out, figure of B. 30 seconds. After mga 30 seconds, kabila. Side dribble naman. Side. 30 seconds. Lipat sa kabila. Side dribble, no? Idol, no? Gawin mo yan for 30 seconds, 3 sets. Ibig sabihin ng sets na 3, tatlong beses mo siyang uulit-ulitin, no? So, 30 seconds, bali 120 seconds siya, no? So, or 1 minute and 20 seconds mo siya gagawin. Pero gagawin mo siya 30 seconds, 30 seconds, no? So, idol, sana gawin mo yun and then hopefully mag-improve ka.